Jinbao Group has 25 years of experience in acrylic production and manufacturing and service as the largest acrylic manufacturer and exporter in China. Currently, we have 35 acrylic production lines as well as the largest range of size industry with a monthly output of 2,100 tons. We have quite some partners worldwide, and we often give assistance to them for opening the local market quickly and becoming powerful and competent local agents.
Jinbao Group sincerely looks forward to your joining and realizing win-win cooperation.